Conditions tomorrow, obviously, we have the showers and storms moving in. Seas 1 to 2 and a light chop for the inland waters. So tonight's forecast, 74, thunderstorms ending around 7 and 8 o'clock tonight, partial clearing after that. That means a little morning sunshine, but more showers and storms. Bring the umbrella. Drive safe everywhere. It is going to be another soggy afternoon. 7-day forecast have thrown in more thunderstorms for most of this week. Temperatures, they do bump down a little bit, but they rebound quickly. Look at that 90s again by Saturday and Sunday. More